Welcome, students. Today, we're going to learn how to take effective notes in class. Are you ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Listen actively. According to a study from the University of Kansas, active listening is key to effective note-taking. Focus on the main points and important details. Step 2. Use abbreviations and symbols. Develop your own shorthand to quickly jot down information. Use symbols and abbreviations to save time. Step 3. Organize information. Divide your notebook into sections for different subjects. Use headings and subheadings to organize notes within each section. Step 4. Highlight key points. Use different colors, underlines, or highlighters to emphasize important information. This will help you remember key concepts. Step 5. Use bullets or numbered lists. Present information in a clear, concise manner using bullet points or numbered lists. This will help you stay organized and focused. Step 6. Leave space for clarifications. If you miss something or need clarification, leave space to fill in the details later. This will help you avoid confusion. Step 7. Review and summarize. After class, review your notes and create a summary. This will help reinforce your understanding. Step 8. Ask questions. Don't hesitate to ask your teacher questions if something is unclear. Your notes should reflect a clear understanding. Step 9. Include visual aids. Sketch diagrams, charts, and other visual aids to represent complex ideas. This will help you remember information better. Step 10. Stay organized. Keep your notes in a binder or folder, and label them properly for easy reference. This will help you stay on top of your studies. And there you have it, students. 10 practical steps towards better note-taking and improved academic performance. Remember, the goal is to capture the main ideas and important details, not to transcribe everything. Over time, you'll develop your own note-taking style that works best for you.